I'm Julia Carta, makeup artist with Cosmetify, and today I'm going to show you how to create a modern day smoky eye. It doesn't have to be lots of different colours. These colours can blend in together quite well, and I'm using Bourjois. This is called Colour Stories by Bourjois, and it's got three sort of neutral tones. There's a brown, a taupey, and like a light champagne colour, and this is like a little shimmer in the centre which you can put in the centre of the eye. I've just completed the left eye, so I'm just going to move on to the next one now and show you how I did it. It's very, very quick and simple. I'm going in with the neutral shade here in the centre, which is a taupey grey, and just sweeping across the whole entire lid with a flat brush. Now I'm just blending away, moving left to right in a sweeping action. And it's all about the motion. It's like the buffing motion. So you're working in circular motions across the eye. I've just applied the taupey colour all over, but don't worry at this stage, it doesn't have to be well blended. You're just placing the product where you need it. So I'm going in with a slightly darker shade now. This is the darkest shade, and I'm just sort of cutting the crease through here and creating a slight V on the outer corners. This is going to add a little bit more depth to the eye, and it's going to widen the eye as well. I'm using a kajal rimmel eyeliner. It's called Jet Black, and I'm just going to trace along the top lash line with it, really close to the lashes. This is going to make the lashes look thicker, and then later on we can go back on top and smudge it. But don't worry for now if it looks a bit messy, because it's a smoky eye and we're going to blend it in a while. So I'm just blending away and smudging. Now I'm going in with the darker shade, and I'm going to work on the top lash line and just smudge out what I've just created with the kohl eyeliner. So using the rimmel eyeliner, I'm going to apply the soft kohl into the waterline. I'm going in with the dark brown shade, the darkest shade, underneath the lower lash line, and blending and smoking out. It's nice and smoky. A little bit more on this side. Always make sure that the eyes are balanced as well, so if you do a little bit more on one side, just make sure that you go back to the other. And sometimes what I like to do to create a nice smudged effect underneath is just to use a little mini egg, and this one's by Real Techniques, and use the pointed side to go underneath and just smudge the outer edge. So this look is passable for the daytime as well as the evening, but if you wanted to jazz it up a little bit more, going with the shimmer in the centre, it's a little gold, and then just press on the ball of the eye and blend with your finger, and that's going to give it a more desk to disco kind of look. So there you have it, a modern day smoky eye.